First five on Sentinel. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. And our sponsors, TUI, Color Sports, Basketballista, and the Inkers Tattoos, Abu Dhabi. And you will be watching live for Mapua versus Sentinel for our NCAA match. Ay Basketballista.
Sa third quarter tayo sara, bawas tayo, sino may balance, bigay tayo ha. Third quarter, baka mag-third.
First five on Mapua. Kago, Tantan, Libres, Sarmento, and Cartagena.
Saan yung Cartagena dyan? Wala.
Joke lang, joke. Oy, relax, joke lang.
Nandun yung idol ko.
Joke lang.
Gabiola. Correction, Gabiola.
Kamo, Gabiola.
Shout out. For our one viewer. And first five on Sentinel, it's La Cruz, Donaire, Unsalan, Sideño, and Perocho. Both players, takin tayo sir, para maganda, takin tayo. It's La Cruz versus Kaku. Ball game! Bogey! It's Sentinel versus Mapua. First position up, Sentinel, Mapua to Putsalan, too strong. It's De La Cruz, again De La Cruz. De La Cruz all alone, De La Cruz. Strong move coming from De La Cruz. Now Camus. Or did the shoot? Sentinel ball. Now Perocho. Looking for Donaire. Donaire, favorite shot short. Rebound ng Gabiola. Camus, 1-1 by Putsalan. Camus to Kaku, Kaku pick. Kaku now. It's turnover on Mapua. Back-to-back turnover on Mapua. It's 9 minutes. 2 against 0. Now Putsalan, pass up, top. It's De La Cruz again. Rebound on Libres. Baseball pass. Camus pick. Camus run. Yes, on Camus. 2-all. Ang first touch lang of the game. It's Perocho. Follow jump, air ball. Rebound on Gabiola. Oh. It's nice defense on Gabiola. 2-all. It's 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Camus. De La Cruz. Perocho. 1-1 by Camus. Perocho drive. Perocho. No one can stop Perocho. It's 4-2. Now Kaku. In and out. Rebound on De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Steal by Gabiola. Looking for Kaku. Kaku now. to Sarmiento. Opa! Bounce rate on De La Cruz.
Dalawang 8 natin na punzalan tsaka.
First on De La Cruz. First team foul on Seth Pinil. We're live on the Facebook page of Basket Pelusta. Now 3-4. 1 point lead on Seth Pinil. Shoot! Now Gapiola. Turnover again on Seth Pinil.
Sino naglagay nito? Ito? Grabe ka nito. Pag-ipon ko simple.
Puspalat. Foul on number 30 on Donaire.
Donaire first.
First on Donaire. First, second team foul on Seth Pinil. It's Seth Pinil ball. Seth Pinil. Now Punsalan. Looking for Pirocho. Open jump by Pirocho. Back to back short by Pirocho. Rebound by Libres. Now Camus. It's 6 minutes. Looking for Kako. Pay Kako too deep. Kako again. Tap by Punsalan. Now Pirocho all the way on Pirocho. It's 6-3. Now 3-point lead on Seth Pinil. Camus to Kako. Yes, on Kako. It's 6-5. Only 1 point lead on Seth Pinil. Pirocho again. Right, Pirocho foul. Foul on Sarmiento. First personal foul against Sarmiento first. Against Mapua. He's short. 5 minutes and 23 seconds. 1 point lead on the win, Seth Pinil. Rebound on Sarmiento. Pasok Kako. Now Gabiola. Inata by Libres. Too strong, Sarmiento. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Libres. Now 7-6. 13 foul on Seth Pinil. Foul on number 23.
Number?
Nag-counted yun?
5-6. Only 1 point lead on Seth Pinil. Now 6-all. It's our third download of the game. It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Turnover on Seth Pinil. Now Camus. Kako. Short. Tap again. Kako to Libres. 40% on clock.
Yun si Gabiola.
Short.
Sarmiento.
Whoa! Sarmiento! Now 8-6, 2 point lead on Mapua.
Pinsa dyan. Sundan mo lang dyan, tapatan mo lang. Huwag ka sumundot.
10 to shoot.
Lapit.
Pirocho. Too strong. Iba may Libres. There. Punsalan. It's Punsalan. Looking for De La Cruz. Sidinho. Oh! Turnover again on Seminil. Side step. Camus. Oh, fake shot by Camus. 10-6. Punsalan. Punsalan. In and out by Punsalan. Rebound on Gabiola. Now Gabiola to Kaku. It's guarded by Pirocho. Pass. Steal. Second steal by Punsalan. Now Punsalan. Oh, turnover again by Punsalan. It's timeout on Mapua. First timeout of the game by Mapua. And timeout is brought to you by Basketballista, TUI, The Inkers, and Core Sports Abu Dhabi. And our referee for today is Referee Donny Mendez and Manuel. Three minutes and 21 seconds. Gabiola, only 4-point lead. Oh, Mapua. Looking for Kaku. Camus, too strong. Whoa! Kaku, it's 12-6. 6-point lead on Mapua. Punsalan. Pirocho, same spot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Hold. Pirocho. 9-12. Back to 3-point lead on Mapua. Now Camus. Guarded by Donaire. Pass. Foul. Foul on number 23 on Sidenio. Second on Sidenio. Warning for penalty on St. Mini. In and out, top. It's La Cruz. Now hustle by Libres. Donaire, pump, a jump, Donaire, too slow by Donaire, Pirocho again, Pirocho. It's full one, Silenio, black, foul. Foul on number 7. On Sarmiento. Second personal foul on Sarmiento. Second on Mapua. It's Camus time. Camus guarded by Pirocho. Steal by Pirocho. Pirocho complete na defense on Sarmiento. Steal again by Pirocho. Pirocho. Now Pirocho. Punsalan. Take. Punsalan again. Set to shoot. It's kickball. Reset shot clock 14. 1 minute and 44 seconds. All by Mapua. It's 12 against 9. Pirocho, can pass, nice pass, Lagos, back to Punsalan, 10 to shoot, 10, take, Pirocho, too strong, Pirocho again, pull out jump by Pirocho, 11-12, it's 1 point lead on Mapua. 1 minute and 20. Gabiola, 14 to shoot. Libres, short again by Sarmiento. Camus. It's troubling violation on Camus. It's 1 minute. One point lead on Mapua. Foul on number 13 on Camus. First against Camus. 13 foul on Mapua is 48 seconds. Donaire. Too strong. De La Cruz. Again, too strong by De La Cruz. Stop. Cedinho. Too strong. Kako. It's 3-2. Kako time. Kako pass to Gabiola. Gabiola. Looking back to Kako. Kako. Easy shot. Jumpers to shot. Kako again. Top. It's Kako. Pass to Gabiola. Gabiola. Short. Libres. Whoa! It's Libres. 15 seconds. Bang! It's Pirocho. 30-14. 10 seconds. And for first quarter, our score is 14 against 13. Foul on Gabiola. Two free throw shot coming from Pirocho.
Deadlock 14, first quarter.
And at the end of the first quarter, our score is 14-all. Second quarter. It's Mapua ball, Mapua. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. And our sponsors.
Punta ni Japs kunin na 150 Japs.
1,600?
Para po Algeris. Pero bibigay mo sa kilo rin. 1.3 lang. 1.3.
Short. Big Daddy. Short. Embarga again. Nijola. Scoop. Up. Rebound. Same ball. Same on Mapua. It's 14-all. Second quarter. Now Francisco. Embarga. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Embarga. Now 17-14. Back to 3-point lead now. Setpining. Minorias. Malajos. Second attempt. Short. Rebound. On Mapua. Short. Francisco.
0-0 Matibag.
Francisco. Carried by Rockman. Francisco to Bilardi. Bilardi take. Bilardi drive. Bilardi looking for the Adora Parador. Adora Parador. In and out by Adora Parador. It's same ball. Last touch on Big Daddy. 14 to set shot clock. Now Francisco. Embarga. Same spot, short to strong, top. Now Malajos. Guarded by Francisco. Starts again on the captain Malajos. It's 8 minutes and 22 seconds second quarter. It's Mapua against St. Benil. Our NCAA Season 5. And Pasidlo Francisco, floater foul. Foul on 0-0 on Matibag. First on Mapua. First on Matibag.
Papa Boys pa rin ang tingin.
Hindi mo ang chiko doon. Kanti ang dito.
Short.
Speak.
Now Rossman. Up. Big Daddy. Whoa! Big Daddy!
Ha?
16-17.
Wow! In and out by Bilarde. It's double dribble. Turnover on St. Benil. It's 17-16. Only 1 point lead on St. Benil. Now Minorias. It's Malajos.
Matiba.
Matiban. Back to Malajos. Open jump, Malajos. Again, in and out in Birga. Now Bilardi there, Bilardi pass. Still on Minorias. Minorias ba against by Bilardi. To Malajos, Malajos. Ruxman, down fake to Diba Ruxman. Now 18-17, 1 point lead on Mapua. It's a 4-0 run by Mapua. Francisco.
Ginajola.
Box!
Short. Now, Ruxman to Big Daddy. Minorias. Looking for the captain, Malajos. It's 14 to shoot. Matibag. Short. Big Daddy again. Big Daddy top. It's Francisco. Now in Biraga. Short again. Now Malajos. Short again on Malajos. Now Dador Parador to Berga and Berga. It's 19 against 18. It's 1 point lead on St. Benil. Berga. Now Ginobili. Black foul. Foul on Rushman. Second team foul on Mapua first.
Jangan mo. Jangan mo. Naikot na tadi sa ako sa dito.
Basket timeout rep.
Naikater tadi sa harap.
5 minutes and 28 seconds. 2018. Timeout. On Mapua, it's 21-18. Favor of St. Benil and timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, TUI, San Miguel Corporation, and Tira Santos.
Nawala.
It's Mapua ball. Mapua. And our official referee play, Referee Manuel and Rep Tony Mendez. He's still again by Berga. He's traveling violation, traveling. It's 21-18. Still 3-point lead on St. Benil. Malajos. Mantibag. Again, too strong, too deep. Oh! Big Daddy! Pow! Hustle play. Coming from Big Daddy. Too small up. Foul on Francisco. First on Francisco, first team foul against St. Benil. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 1-1 against 18. All by St. Benil. Zero two from Big Daddy's foul. Foul on Big Daddy. First on Big Daddy. 13 foul on Mapua. Now Dador Parador. Guarded by Minorias, 1-1. Dador connected now, foul strip. 10 to shoot, 10. He's stepping on the line. 5 to shoot, 5 seconds to shoot. not counted. Violation. 24 shot clock violation. It's now on the hand. 24 shot clock violation. 21-18. It's 3-point lead on St. Pinil. Now Minorias. Caribedador. Malajos. 14 to shoot. Out to Caribedador. Rebound on Rosman. Rosman 10 to shoot. Foul. Offensive foul on Rosman. Warning for penalty on Mapua. Second on Rosman. Foul.
Nagsabay kayo, sir. Nagsabay kayo.
Sorry.
Nagsabay kayo. Hindi yun sadya. Nagsabay kayo.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. Second team foul on St. Pinil. First on Minoria.
Bigla si Minorias.
Sino Bergolla?
Eh? Gin Jola?
Short. Now Enberga. Foul. It and out again. It's rebound by Minorias. Now Vale. To Baba. Foul on number 25 on Minorias.
Score.
21-18.
It's 18 to 21. 3-point lead on St. Pinil.
Wala ko po dito. Nung sa committee. Committee lang.
2 minutes and 39 seconds. Now 22-18. 4-point lead on St. Pinil.
Kalabot na jobs ko nung basta yung time din. Pangalan niya. 1-6 na siya.
Ba't 160?
Basta lang.
Right.
Sa kanya. 1-3-50.
Foul. Foul on number 38 on Malajos. Penalty. First on Malajos. It's 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Sa 1-3-50 din siya.
1,300.
Sa yung taxi. Sa 1-6
Taxi. Saan lang pang taxi?
2 minutes and 10. Now 24-18. It's 6-point lead on St. Pinil. Now Minorias. Caribedador, Aparador. The captain. Oh! I cannot shoot 3, but I can shoot 2 by Malajos. Inbega. Harassed by Rajman. 14 to shoot. Back to back. Turnover again on St. Pinil. It's one timeout. Timeout on St. Pinil. It's 24-20. 4-point lead on St. Pinil. Timeout is brought to you again on Lipupitan. Red Bull. Robust energy drink. And basketballista.
Umiyan ka rin lang?
Shout out for our one follower. One minute and 32.
Dapat pula. Balik mula.
Malajos, guarded by Enberga. It's moving screen foul on Matibag. Second on Matibag. Mapua it's penalty, but it's offensive foul. Now Francisco looking for Enberga, favorite chance, short air ball. Sevinin. It's Mapua ball. Mapua, 1 minute. Fourteen to shoot. Top. Brassman, 14 to set shot clock. Too strong ng Brassman. Big Daddy. Malajos. Air ball. Rebound on the door of Parador. 30 seconds. Bilarde. Too strong. Rebound on Malajos. 20 seconds. Big Daddy. Whoa! Big Daddy! Oh, steal! 10 to shoot! Wow! It's 24 or 5 seconds! And now for second quarter, our score! Tie 24!
First time sila, second. Nakaan ko lang, ikaw nga naggaganon ka eh. Wala ba?
Third quarter.
Ha?
Third na.
Third quarter?
Mga kuha natin, obligasyon natin. Obligasyon natin, obligasyon. Ibigay ko.
Kay Joseph.
Shout out to Big Daddy. It's from Yuri.
Pag second game.
Aywa, pag manalo kaya, take off muna. 450 collection.
Third quarter.
250, Mapua. 200. Pangkain daw niya.
It's St. Pinil ball. St. Pinil.
Dito tayo. Dami lang tayo lalamigin.
Now, third quarter. Pirocho. Foul. It's foul on Kaku. First team foul on Mapua.
Ako first.
First personal foul on Kaku. It's same ball, 14 seconds to shoot. Amboy, short air ball, Kaku. It's left. It's troubling violation, troubling. 9 minutes. What air, nice air. Now Amboy. Too strong by Plaza. Now Libles. Kaku. 1-1. Kaku hook. Hook. Sarmento. Pirocho. Sarmento. It's again map. St. Pinil ball. It's St. Pinil. Oh, it's Mapua ball. Mapua. 14 na set sa clock. 14. Kaku. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Don't leave me open by Kaku. 27-24. Still again may Mapua. Vamos all the way. Nice now. Foul. Foul on Pirocho.
Pirocho first.
First on Pirocho, number 7. And first on Set Pinil. 8 minutes.
Dalawa lang ba, sure. Okay, nice. Nice.
Now 28. Against the 24. Now 4-point lead on Set Pinil. Now 29-24. It's 5-point lead on the yellow shirt, Set Pinil. Pirocho. Amboy. Nice fake. Amboy drive. Amboy. Amboy traffic. Back to Pirocho. Pirocho. Rebound on Camos. Now Camos looking for Taco. It's turnover again on Mapua. 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Plaza. Now the captain.
Kaku.
Now Kaku. Nice drive. Whoa! It's Camos time. Now Pirocho drive. Pirocho. It's simple shot by Pirocho. It's 26. Against the 31. It's 5-point lead on Mapua.
Balik mo na, balik.
Hindi, 117.
Foul! Foul on number 22 on Set Pinil. Melay. First on Melay. Second team foul on Set Pinil. It's nice defense on Coach Suriano. It's 31-26. 5-point lead on Mapua. Pirocho. Suriano. Back to Pirocho. Pirocho. Guarded by Minorias. Campiola, Minorias. Pirocho. Now the Amboy. Amboy top. Now Melay. 10 to shoot. 10. Plaza. Whoa! What a shot coming from Plaza. Throw in shot by Plaza. Plaza, 1-1 by Plaza to Camos. It's Kaku short. Rebound on Suriano. Now the Amboy. Intercepted by Kaku. Kaku, pilot jump. Kaku, foul. It's suspensive foul on Kaku. It's second team foul on Mapua. Second on Kaku.
Second team.
Pirocho. Amboy. Oh, strong by Amboy. Plaza again. Looking for Pirocho. Pirocho. Bang! Nothing but net by Pirocho. It's 31-all. 5 minutes and 10. It's our 6th deadlock of the game. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! I can shoot by 3 also. It's 34-31. Now Amboy looking for Pirocho. Now Suriano, tap by Sarmento. Now Kaku. Side step, Kaku, move. Now Libres. Pirocho. Kaku intercepted. 14 to shoot. Libres. Nice defense. 10 to shoot. 5. Foul. I'm out. On Mapua. First personal foul on Plaza. Third on Set Pinil. And timeout is Portil. High Color Sports. Basketballista. Papa Balls. And Cebu. That's squad. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista.
Tanaw, 3.
10 to shoot.
Oh.
2 deep by Cemento. Amboy. Perocho. Perocho hang time on Perocho. It's 3 minutes and 15. Rushman. Harassed by Perocho. It's Perocho to Amboy. Amboy drive. Amboy. Too strong by Amboy. Whoa! Perocho. 33 to 34. 1 point lead on Mapua. In and out by Camus. Perocho. Shout out to Armos Fundamentals. 10 shoot. Shot. Rebound on Serpento. Kaku. Foul. Foul on number 22 on Melay. Timeout on St. Benil. It's warning for penalty on St. Benil. Second personal foul on Melay. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Armos Fundamentals, Delta Basketball League, Ground Zero, and Basketballista. Live and live for our Facebook page. It's 2 free throw shot for Kaku.
Okay.
35 against 33. Now 36 to 33, back to 3-point lead on Mapua. It's 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Ang ilalim mo, continue, ilalim mo.
Amboy, third attempt. So again, too strong by Amboy. Amboy, I can drive, side step out. Foul on number 22 on Big Daddy. Second personal foul on Big Daddy. Third, against Mapua. Amboy! Foul!
25 Minorias.
Follow Minorias. Now Mapua in. Warning for penalty.
Junior second.
Second personal foul on Minorias. Now 34 to 36, 2-point lead on Mapua.
Sasabihin ko per player, hindi per jersey per bayad
100.
per jersey. Kung babayaran mo, kung 1,000 mo, 1,000, ang pula bibigay. Ibigay mo sa inyo, ako na bahala.
10 to shoot!
Kata mo pa yan?
High! Short! Amboy again! Wow! It's Amboy! Now 36 all. It's 2 minutes. It's Amboy versus Big Daddy. Cartagena. Hey, back. Minorias. Drive. Looking for Kaku. Kaku. Rebound on Kaku again. Oh, now 1 and 1 by Punsalan. It's Punsalan. Yes, on Punsalan. It's 38 to 36. 2-point lead now on St. Benil. Big Daddy. Too strong by Big Daddy. Top. Amboy. It's Amboy to Punsalan, side step corner foul. It's foul on Minorias.
Minorias third.
Jordan Minorias. Now Mapua and penalty. Basket sa dito shooter. Stop.
Dalawa lang? Pwede pang makanya.
It's only 38 to 36. Set Pinil. Now 39 to 36. 3-point lead on Set Pinil. It's 1 minute and 12 seconds.
Leading na sila.
Minorias. Looking for Big Daddy. Too strong by Big Daddy. Rebound on Matibag. 14 set shot clock. 50 seconds. Minorias. Drive. Whoa! A pass. Stop. Matibag again. Looking for Big Daddy. Fake. Blind by Amboy. Minorias. Now Minorias. Looking for Cartagena. Cartagena. Open jump. Air ball on Cartagena. Short. Yes, on Rushman. It's 38-39. 15 seconds. Foul. Foul on 0-0 on Matibag. Penalty.
Matibag third.
Third on Matibag.
Magandang gabi po.
Dito, minamalas ako sa inyo. Minamalas ka.
Now 40. Against the 38. $14 seconds, 14. Now 41 to 38 is 3-point lead on Mapua. 5 seconds. And then our first third quarter score now. It's not tie ball game, but 41 to 38. 3-point lead on the green shirts, Symphony. And we'd like to thank our referee for tonight. So referee Donny Mendez and Manuel Quezon, our president. Fourth quarter.
Andiyan na. Kasapin mo siya. Ako ng muda. Sabihin mo.
Ha? Ako naman nila.
Bang! Bang! On Cabos. Now 41 all. Top. 14 to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
Wag mo na shots. Ay, sabihin mo, ikaw naman ninyo.
Ano?
Sabihin mo, ikaw naman ninyo doon.
Ako.
Sabihin mo ngayon, Ahmad.
Rebound on De La Cruz. Yes, on De La Cruz. Now 43. Against the 41, it's 2-point lead on Sentinel. Bang! Basket count on Sarmento. Foul on 08 on De La Cruz. Nine minutes.
Panglamang yan, Sarmento.
Now 1-point lead on Mapua. It's 44 against the 43. Block by Sarmento. It's Camos. Camos short. Sarmento. Cantor Aparador.
Siya na lang daw maningin. Sabi niya.
Huwag na. Ito, sila din. Hindi ko nang yun.
Yes, son! Gago.
Okay. Relax. Uy. Nice. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Too strong.
Relax lang.
In and out.
Tama score dito.
Kandiya lang yun.
Foul.
Shooting. Shooting foul. Shooting.
Sino foul? Sino foul?
On it. Oh, no foul, no foul.
Bounce.
Out of bounds. 14 to shoot. 14.
Shot.
Enberga. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Enberga is 46 all. Camus. Now Seth Pinil.
Tingin. Look. Tira niyo na.
Yes, now 48 to 46. 2-point lead on Mapu on Seth Pinil.
Third to, di ba?
6 minutes. Camus, fake. Sarmiento. Back to Camus. Air ball. Cantor Aparador. Time out.
Hindi kayo na tumawag sir.
On Mapua. First time out is brought to you by Seth Pinil, Mapua, and Basketballista.
May isan lang sila. Dito, dalawa pa.
Or 48 to 46.
Wait, I'm good. Don't finish this one. Okay. How much you give me?
Bang, bang, bang! On Malajos. Now 49 to 48.
Then break. Skip 11. Isang pera. Isang pera. How much 11? 10 on the 10. 600 na. Give me 200. Only 10, right? 200, put it 200. Commission 200, right? Only 11 na. Only 11. 11. Last one.
51.
51-48. 5 minutes. Foul.
Post foul rep.
Foul on Sarmiento.
Number 7.
First team foul on Mapua. It's 51-48.
Tatlo. Yung
Third personal foul on Sarmiento.
Rebound.
In and out. Now Kaku. Two libres. Malajos. 40 to shoot. 10. Kaku, short, top. Enberga. Punsalan. Punsalan to Pirocho to Telagos. Short by Telagos. Still by Milagos. It's Milagos. Baha. Foul on number 8 on Punsalan.
Second first of the team.
Second personal foul on Punsalan. Second team foul on St. Pinil. Substitution up, sub-rep. It's only 51 to 48. Now Malajos, 4 minutes. 14 to shoot. Libres. Whoa! Libres. 53-48. 5-point lead now. On Mapua. Punsalan. 14 to shoot. It's 13 to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot.
Listen na siguro na. Listen na.
Gamit niya dito.
Pow!
Number 7.
Dalawa. Shooting.
Foul number 7 on Sermento. Second team foul on Mapua. Second team foul against Mapua.
Apat na.
Warning. Basket substitution tayo mamaya. Basket
Number
substitution.
7 ha. Number 7.
Fourth personal foul on Sermento. It's 49 to 53. Only 4-point lead on St. Pinil. On Mapua. On Mapua.
Pasok ha. Una.
Short! Pinocho! De La Cruz! Whoa! De La Cruz! 51 to 53. It's 1-point lead. 2-point lead on Mapua. It's Punsalan. Oh! Substitution, Deb. Substitution. What does miscommunication coming from?
Placing.
3 minutes.
Screen. Ay, patay kay Coco Martin.
Big Daddy. Malajos. 14 sa sangat. Bang! On Malajos. It's 56 to 51. Big, Pirocho, side step. Bang on Pirocho. 56 to 54. It's stepping on the line on Mapua. Turnovers, timeout on Mapua.
Wala na kayong time out ha.
And timeout is brought to you by St. Pinil, Mapua, Basketballista, and Cora Sports.
Sir, wala na kayong time out ha.
Melinda.
Ayo, meron pa. Dalawa.
Nagbigay na.
Gana.
1,500. Dinigres kanya na.
Huwag mo bigay lahat ng jersey. Huwag mo bigay ng jersey kasi
Binigay na nga lang.
hindi to ang jersey yan. Huwag sabihin mo Ahmad. 1-6. 1-6 na ako ng 1-6.
Now 56 all, 56.
Binigay na nga, boss Mike.
Gamit tayo naman sa Ahmad. Tawagin mo si Ahmad. Ahmad. Come. Ahmad.
Foul. Basket down and one. On Sydney.
It's 22 jersey. You don't take 1-5.
13.
I take 1-6. 22 jersey. 1-6.
Number 13, second personal.
Second personal foul on number 13. 13 foul on Mapua.
And one.
It's 58 to 56. 2 minutes.
Konti na yan.
Lamang nga kayo, dalawa.
Pirocho. Rebound. Big Daddy. It's Mapua ball, Mapua. Oh, St. Pinil ball, St. Pinil. 14 na set clock, 14. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Amboy! 61 to 56.
Lima.
14 to shoot, 14! Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Ang Maladiyos! 1 minute!
Dong.
2-point lead on St. Pinil. 14 to shoot, 14.
Rep.
10. 9 to shoot, 8 to shoot, 8 to shoot. Foul.
Number 22.
Foul on number 22 on Big Daddy. Warning for penalty on Mapua.
Third. Personal.
Third personal foul on Big Daddy. 49 seconds. It's 49 seconds, 49.
Time out pa kayo.
Now 62 to 50, still by Big Daddy. 39 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. Oh! 20 seconds. 20. 15. 10. Bang! Bang! 9 seconds. 6 seconds. 6. 6 seconds. Time out on St. Pinil.
62.
62 against 64. All by St. Pinil.
Foul ngayon. Sino foul? Number 7.
Penalty rep, penalty rep.
Number 7 ng ano, called out na. Boss, called out number 7 din eh.
5 fouls on Sarmiento. 5 fouls on Sarmiento.
Yeah, pasok, pasok. Pasok, pasok. Sir, 5 tayo, 5 para ubusan tayo ng oras.
6 seconds, 6 seconds. Penalty rep, penalty.
Wala.
Wala na kayo timeout, wala na kayo timeout.
Utang, utang sa next game. Win na next game.
Sure, kahit isa lang. Dalawa! Dalawahin mo!
Whoa! It's 65-62. 3-point lead on St. Pinil. Six seconds, 6.